5 minutes, that's all.
No,
Oh, sir.
no, ಇಡೀ ಗ್ರಾಮ ನುಂಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Huh?
ಇಡೀ ಗ್ರಾಮ ನುಂಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕೆಸರೆ ಗ್ರಾಮನ. I have to show it to the court. It is not.
No, my learned friend can.
No, he's sailing with you, sir.
No, I thought it's somebody else, fellas. I thought I didn't see his face.
Dr.
He can
Singhvi,
argue after me.
No, I said I'll make my arguments after you complete your arguments.
No problem. He's on the same side.
Yes, that is
I thought it's somebody else arguing.
No.
It is.
I'm only going to supplement what you make, what
No,
you
that's
submit.
all right. I
Without repeating
I
what
thought-
you said.
I thought it's somebody else. I'm sorry.
No,
So, ಕೆಸರೆ ಗ್ರಾಮ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು.
ಕೆಸರೆ ಗ್ರಾಮ ಇದೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸರ್ವೆ ನಂಬರ್ 464 ಇದೆ. ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ನುಂಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು.
ಇರೋದನ್ನ ನುಂಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ನುಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಗ್ರಾಮನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಜಮೀನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. I'll show. Where is the village? Where is the? I'll show.
All right.
Okay.
So this will go on and on. I am not.
No, I'm only going to reply. No, sorry, I am going
Right,
to
1 minute.
reply.
1 minute. 1 minute. The right of reply is always there. You have submitted, right of rejoinder submissions is always there. If any clarification to that, yes, we'll not. You can't go on and on like this, and it's not it becomes a circle, sir.
Whole day it was argued saying that Kesara Grama is not there.
No,
I will
1
show
minute,
where
sir.
is Kesara.
1 minute. For whatever you have submitted, they have a right to reply. They will reply. Then after that, it's not that you have a right to reply. It's not like sir rejoinder, filing sir rejoinder, sir submissions here.
Reply to reply is unknown, sir. Unknown.
But they will, sir. You 1 minute.
I don't know why my
You
learned
have
friend
made
is-
some submissions. They have a right to rebut. 1 minute. Rebut those submissions. If it is by way of new things, what can be done?
No, I don't
In
know. Why.
justification, they will say whatever is there. Allah, I can grant time. That's not a thing. But it will go on. How long do you argue the same thing?
So 12th, fellas. 12th.
New proposition. Where are the new propositions, sir? You have submitted the whole day on 31st from 10:30 to 4:45. We'll see. You also want to clarify?
With respect to the Chief Minister's role that your Lordship.
All right, let Dr. Singhvi sir finish it. We'll see. Yes. 15 minutes. No. We'll see. First, let the respondents finish. Avatte ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ sir ನೀವು?
Petitioners, yeah.
Petitioners.
ಅವರು Dr. Singhvi ಮುಗಿಸಿದ
The
ಮೇಲೆ
moment
I don't
Dr.
want to
Singhvi
repeat.
completes your-
Yeah, I'll immediately start.
Fellas, let me just make one thing clear. If anybody has any new point, they should give it to your lordships today or tomorrow. Because if when I'm rounding it
Today,
up,
no new points, sir.
after my finishing, if somebody argues
No,
other than Mr.
just a
Ravi
moment.
Kumar,
Then you submit
will
whatever
take
you
this
want to
advice.
submit.
That's your Lordship.
If you want to state about the role, please state. Then Dr. Singhvi sir will reply to that also.
That's all. Well,
I will hear you. How long will you take?
5 to 10.
That's all. Then you, if you're ready, you state. Yes.
Lordship,
Obliged.
Your Lordship had put forth rules. What is the role of the Chief Minister ultimately in this entire matter?
Yes.
Key words are check period. Check period, Your Lordship. What happens is in all prevention of corruption matters, the date in which the position of power was held by the person, that is critical. Check period is what is taken into account for any irregular accounts that have entered into the person's account or the wife or any other family member. If the check period is gone into, then all of this falls in place. Your Lordship, ultimately, we are only looking at when are the periods in which the petitioner held a certain post, and that is the time during which all of this took place. Your Lordship, it is only between the year 1996 to 1999. 1996 to 1999,
Deputy Chief
he was the Deputy CM. That period, Your Lordship, is the denotification period. I'm not going to expand further. The 1996 to 1999 is the entire denotification period which took place, and subsequently is the year 1999 to May 1994. That is
Till,
the period when
2004.
2004, wherein the petitioner was not in power since he had lost his elections. Therefore, Your Lordship, that period is the lull period. Nothing takes place then. After that is during the period of 2004 to 2007. That denotification portion is over. So therefore, 2004 to 2007, the conversion phase starts. So from 2004 to 2007, documents are already there and they have gone into in length in that. So that is the conversion period. Subsequently, 2008 to 2013, Your Lordship, this is when the transfer takes place from A4 to A3 to then A2. That happens between up to 2010. Your Lordship, between the year 2013 to 18, when he is the chief minister, at that point of time, A2 takes over. The vice gives all the representation stating, give us compensatory land. So the phases of denotification, phases of conversion, and then phases of submissions of representation, and then seeking compensatory lands. Your Lordship, the key period that the petitioner seems to state is that all of this took place when they were not in power. Your Lordship, what happens is the year 2018 to 22 is critical. 2018 to 2022, the petitioner was very well an MLA. Now, it is not about which political party is in power. It's ultimately, did the individual hold a position of power or not? He held a position of power at that point of time. And at that point of time, what happens is that the 14 sites that are allotted are done at a government guest house, done specifically for that. Your Lordship, what happens is A2 doesn't go to the sub-registrar's office when MUDA gives this.
That's permissible in law.
That is permissible under the
For the
Registration
purpose of
Act.
registration of sale deed.
Registration of sale deed, that's permissible under the Act only for the person who is exempted from his presence there.
Disabled.
Disabled is one. There is also a list of people who need not be present at the sub-registrar's office. And that
So
is
you're attributing the connection to power.
absolutely every single act that has taken place has been done on behalf of the petitioner. And that has been established all through. And then subsequently, when actually the year of 2023, when all of this is unfolding, at that point of time, the petitioner says, all right, take my 14 sites, give me 60 crores. And so starting from the period on which we start with denotification, where A1 makes A4 to do all of this. That is, the petitioner asks A4 to do it. Up to the time they say, all right, give me back my money. From then onwards, the role is established. Your Lordship, we have only given a set of judgments which the others haven't, and only those we will mention, Your Lordship. These are only with respect to check period. Check period, Your Lordship.
In a Prevention of Corruption Act case.
In Prevention of Corruption Act cases, Your Lordship,
Yes.
I'll
From
very quickly.
Period A to period B.
Period A to period B.
Date of joining service till the date of search.
Absolutely. And in most of the cases, Your Lordship, it is more of disproportionate income, and therefore they calculate the income during the time when he was in power and when he was not in power. In this, there is a
But
slight
how is the
shift.
concept of check period relevant to this, or you're trying to paraphrase that to this?
If we are drawing a parallel, in this, there is no money that you could attribute to have entered into at that point of time, but it is directly attributable to the acts that have taken place during that time. Your Lordship, and also with respect to what is the role of all of these judgments, Your Lordship, I will not take Your Lordship into detail, but all of these judgments only state that even if let us assume that the wife, that is A2, would be probably not working, or would have a source of income, maybe an agricultural source of income, and would file income tax returns. Nevertheless, the courts have held that if the person who is in position of power has purchased certain properties in the name of the wife or in the name of any other family member, it would still ultimately be attributable to them and their role in all of this. Directly, Your Lordship, all of these judgments, Your Lordship, I have,
Paragraphs hakidira?
Your Lordship,
You've
we've put
indicated
it.
the paragraphs of these judgments?
Paragraphs
Yes,
have
yes.
also been mentioned, Your
Yes,
Lordship.
yes.
In Ponuswami's case, Parmasivan's case, Balashankar Lingam's case, then
Yes.
Ponnumudi and Soundarya Rasu, and also Vahidida Jayaraman, Your Lordship.
All right.
All of this directly on the point of when a particular person is in power. And that should probably connect the dots, Your Lordship. That's it.
So that's the link that you're trying to draw.
Absolutely. And to say that I was not in power when all of these 14 sites was allotted, he was definitely in power.
No, not in power is not the submission, but not taken any decision directly. or any recommendation made by him. That is the submission.
Your
He was
Lordship-
in power that they accept. That's a matter of fact.
Please, Your Lordship, anyway, the judgments are clear. We don't need a direct recommendation or any letter from them. If we are able to show the link at that point of time, for example, how I've been able to establish that the time when he was not elected, there's a lull period. But all the times that he's elected, activities have taken place. So that is sufficient. And the question always should be, what is the role of A2, A3, and A4, as opposed to asking what is the role of A1? Because A1 is established very clearly. A2 and A3 and A4 could be at best aiding or abetting. And that is something, it's just a matter of trial. But with respect to A1, it's very clear. That's about it.
All right. Yes. Yes. Now, Professor Sir, you have heard the council also. Ella the Koseri reply on 12th. Singhvi sir?
Yes,
On,
Palas.
on 12th, sir.
Yes, 12th, Palas.
12th, we'll take it at 10:30 or at 2:30?
Well, it's not at 10:30, but maybe around 12 or 11:30 or
All
something.
right. We'll take it at
I will
12
come
-ish.
to the court. Yes.
Yes, sir. 12 o'clock.
Yes, Palas. Obliged.
Heard the learned counsel Ellardu Hakpade and counsel Srimati Lakshmi Iyengar appear for which respondent, for the fourth respondent. The respondents have all completed their submissions. The learned advocate general has also completed his submissions for the reply submission of the senior counsel Dr. Abhishek Singhvi and the senior counsel Professor Ravi Verma Kumar list this matter on 12th. 12th, we should be concluding this, sir.
Yes, Palas. Yes.